Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live trading room. Tim the Trader. Glad you're all here. Let's get rid of the legal stuff. Put that back down there. Anyway, hope you all had a good evening. Here's yesterday's charts, most of which I was gone for, but Keith did a great job with 4 trades, 3 positive. Hope you all had a good trading day yesterday. Looked like you had some good price movement in the morning. Nice swing high there, nice reversal, and then a very nice long swing high. I know Kathy took a big trade off that yesterday for 60 or 80 or $3, some huge amount she took on that. So that was awesome. She had to wait a while, but hopefully you all got some of that. There was a nice little sell off here that happened right at noon there that happened, but rest of the afternoon wasn't a whole lot happening. Anyway, where are we? So Q closed at 529.39, and we have a gap play this morning sitting at 525.81.
We should.
And it looks like we do. We do have a gap play. So let me let Loretta in. So the gap fill and trigger will be at 526.75. 526.75. And it will be a call trade that triggers that. So let's move up. Looks like we've been selling off a lot of the night, a lot of chop through the overnight. Get rid of one thing here. And we're going to be trading tomorrow's expiration. Let's head over to the options chain. This will even out a bit. It's a little expensive on the call side. We've got 878,000 in traded in pre-market, and we will trade tomorrow's expiration, which is February 12th, 2025. We'll start at or near the money at the 525 on the call side, 526 on the put side. We'll keep an eye on that call side, see if that comes down into the $3 range. Put side will probably come up a bit as well. And we'll see if we need to go to today's expiration if these are too expensive on the call side. Anyway, with that said, I'm going to toss it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good day for the early part yesterday. Just didn't have much after that. This morning we had a NFIB Business Optimism Index, which came a little bit less than anticipated. That was at 6 o'clock this morning. We had a Fed member speaking at 8:40 this morning, and a Red Book Index, which is year over year, same store sales, and that came in a little bit less than last month. We have the big thing today is Chairman Powell is going to be testifying this morning at 10 o'clock or thereabouts for I think it's the House Committee, Finance Committee today, and it'll be the Senate Committee tomorrow. And we'll have a 3-year note auction, bond auction at 1 o'clock today. And more the Fed members speaking at 3:30 this afternoon. So that's it there. Tomorrow we'll have the consumer price index numbers coming out at 8:30. And on Thursday morning, likewise, we'll have the producer price indexes numbers coming out at 8:30. So that's it for today.
Okay, thank you for the report. Appreciate it. We are less than 30 seconds. Remember to set your chart so you have 20 cents between each of the hash marks on the side of your charts here. And here we go. We've got 10 seconds. Stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. Okay. Both our MACDs are in the call bias position. And I've got the broader markets. We've got Dow is down by 120, Nas down by 104, S&P down by 18. So starting out with a bit of a negative market on the broader markets. It's really starting at zero for us. Wherever they are, that starts our 0 point. So we've got price coming up. I will be okay. So prices are pretty good. We're in the $3 range. I will start at the 525 on the call side and the 528 on the put side. And get my price coming down a bit. Let me get my 100,000 line in here. There we go. There's our 100,000 line. Price has gone up and it has stayed up here. So we'll keep an eye on that 525 on the call side.
We're right about at the fill the gap price also.
Okay. 526.75. There it is. Okay. That's the gap fill and trigger. So going over to the 525 on the call side, stand by. Price moving slowly this morning. All right, coming out of the trigger. All right, I'm going to go to the 526 on the call side, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 526. And I'm in at 382. We're up to 392. Stand by to take some profit. We'll just take a quick 10 cents off this. All right, 13 cents. 390, 382 to 395.
Very good.
Yeah.
I tried to get in that earlier and it passed me by and just never got back to it. So,
Well, the darn thing.
yeah, yeah.
Tim,
Sir?
I have a mechanical question that I should know the answer to, but I don't. On active trader, in this trade right here, for example, if you had gone under wherever you got out at 13, but let's say you had gone down +8 and put in a sell order there,
Uh-huh.
would it hold it there and use that as a stop loss, or would it go ahead and sell it out at that price or somewhere above it?
It should sell out at that price or close to it.
But I mean, would it wait until it gets there, or would it sell it out immediately when you put it there?
Oh, no, it'd wait till it got there.
Okay, so you can just enter a stop loss there without having to put an OCO around it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Looks like we may, well, trying to find a top on this right now. Dow down 99, NASDAQ down 58. Excuse me, Dow is down 88, NASDAQ down 53, S&P down 13. We've done nothing but rise here. A nice swing high we've got going here first thing in the morning. Might have a pivot point going here. What was that?
Wasn't me. I don't think. No, wasn't me.
Huh. That's weird. I don't see anything.
The rest of us are muted out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Must be you, Tim. You're in something.
Well, I'm looking and I don't see anything.
You won't find it until you're down about $2.
Thank you.
My ding ding is real delayed today. It just told me I sold that last one. I sold it like 3, whatever we sold it.
Oh. All right. Well, don't see anything open on my board.
And that's my technical term, my ding ding.
Your ding ding. All right, let's swing over to the put side. I'm going to go to the 529 on the put side. Keep an eye on this. Let's see something here. Let's go to application settings. Okay. Maybe going into some consolidation here.
I did put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle.
Okay. I will do the same. Fix some things here.
Only 2 million underlying trade. I think everybody's waiting for Powell at 10.
Yeah. I think you're right. Let's see. Let's save that as default. There we go.
I'm going to go ahead and enter that 529 put.
Okay, stand by on this 529 put. I'm going to go ahead and get in.
In at 377.
Minute 376.
Come on down.
Good job.
It starts heading down to VWAP. I'll put a closing order right around VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Break out of this consolidation here.
Come on down. Pretty low volume on these last few candles.
Boy, no kidding.
I'm going to go ahead and get out of this.
Okay. Me too.
Yep, out.
All right, out at 358.
I got out at 360. All right. Going back to the put side at 327.
Back to the put side?
Excuse me, the call side,
Yeah.
327. Looks like it's having some difficulty here, though. I could see it. Yeah, it's getting close to above the previous high there. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in on this. In at 372.
All right, stand by. I'm at the 527 on the call side. All right, I'm going to enter. In at 369.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get on up there. Come on, get on up there. Yeah, that's not up, that's down. You're not going to get out of this. This narrow moves today. See where the next candle brings us, then I'll get out. All right, you're going to go up on us here?
All right, getting out of this. All right, come on up.
There we go.
There we go.
Try to get 15 cents on this.
82.
You gonna do it? Came up close, but didn't fill.
So getting a little bit of breakout on the top side. You can see that 952 candle picked up some volume that helped push that up initially. Got Dow's down 100, Nas down 48, S&P down 14. Got 2,600,000 in on the underlying. Pretty low volume.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this right now. Yeah, it's gonna fill. All right, out. except for that first 5-minute move. There've been pretty shallow moves this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got about 3.5 minutes till the pop.
Still holding yours, Tim, or did you get out when you were up?
No, I'm still in it.
It got within 3 cents of my order out there to get 15-cent gain. It just never filled.
Yeah.
That's right. We'll get it back here. Minimizing my losses, though.
Yep, which is huge.
It is.
All right, I'm getting out of this at 369. So bet out even.
All right. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Sure. So we're just going to wait for a breakout. We are just going sideways here in consolidation, real low volume. All right, I'm going to go over to the 529 on the put side, 529. See if we get a breakout here on a sell-off. We can put a supply zone in at the top here. So let's go ahead and add that in.
Okay, we're at the pop.
Mm-hmm. And popped up. Wow.
I'm looking to get back in on this 527 on the call.
All right.
I'm in. 383.
All right. Stand by. And in 387.
Hey, sorry, I step away. Did you guys enter a call trade?
Yes. 527 on the call side.
PNBC says Powell says the Fed doesn't need to be in any hurry to lower interest rates.
Mm.
Come on, get back up there. Come on, bounce off that supply zone. Get back up there.
All right.
Getting out of this. Going over to the put side at 329. 329 on the put side. And I'm in 353. Come on, get back down there. down to VWAP. That's it. Come on down here. And try to get a closing order down at VWAP there. Come on down. No, come on. Get down there. Well, Tim, I'm just not calling them right today.
Yeah, can't buy one today, huh?
Yep, gonna get out of this one too. Or maybe not.
You think that the volume after 9:40 should be something of a cautionary indicator,
Yeah.
except for 10 o'clock straight up.
Yeah. Yeah. Volume has been the story this morning.
And what that does for you, does it just make it so unpredictable that you don't know which way to jump?
Yeah, it creates a lot of chop in the market because there's just not enough volume to get a good trend going.
Yeah.
All right, getting out. Out. Well, I have 100% consistency rate this morning. Easy peasy. Well, I'm certainly expecting more volume today with Powell speaking.
Yeah.
I would have thought he would have had a bigger draw today as opposed to just the CPI and the PPI reports coming out tomorrow and Thursday.
Yeah, and I think we've got a lot of retail traders staying on the sideline waiting for those reports
Yeah.
to come out. Those tend to be pretty big ones. So we're getting just real low volume today.
Both of Are both of those reports tomorrow?
No, the CPI is tomorrow and the PPI is on Thursday,
About 10 o'clock, or when are they?
8:30.
Oh, so it'll be baked in when we get there.
Well, you look at the 5-minute chart, Tim, and except for the initial jump at the beginning of the day, it's been pretty flat.
Yes, yes, it has.
You're still in that call, aren't you?
I am.
You might get out of that here.
In that call for what, 15, 18 minutes or so?
Yeah, let me see. Got in about 10:01,
Yeah.
so 15.
So how long are you willing to nursemaid the thing? You got tomorrow's expiration instead of today, so you got some latitude, but how long will you sit with it before you bail?
Really depends on where it goes. I've got a 50-cent stop just initiated on it.
Mm-hmm. Just so it can't roll off the table on you.
Right.
Yeah. Well, maybe it'll go 50 cents the other direction.
Well, that would be nice.
It would be. It'd be a nice little gift.
Boy, this is just choppy, choppy, choppy.
By the way, I was backwards. He testified for the Senate today. It'll be the House tomorrow.
Ah,
This one of Kathy's call trends starting.
I hope so. We are starting to finally get some direction here.
Mhm.
Much as I don't like it, Tim, I think I'll move that demand zone up. It's going to be such a narrow range, but at least we have an agreement there.
Yeah. Boy, that is narrow, isn't it?
It certainly is. This is so low volume, my cat even decided to go sleep somewhere else. Or even really no pivot points today, Tim.
No.
Whopping 3.9 million underlying traded. Dow's down 88, NASDAQ's down 45, S&P's down 13. It's going nowhere fast.
No, we're just kind of chopping around here.
When was the last time you saw 4 million for the first hour?
$4 million?
Well, it's 3.95.
Oh, you mean this low?
Yeah.
It's been a while for sure.
Are you in the 527 call?
I am in the 527. Yes.
Well, you're up a little bit, aren't you?
A few cents away from break even.
I thought you were in at 369.
And the doji there.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. And out. So got 10 cents on that.
Oh, good.
Took a while.
I was tempted to get back in on that, but the volume's just been so darn low.
Yeah.
I think one of the things I'm learning here is when the volume's so low, settle for less gains.
Yeah.
Because that last one before last, I could have gotten out for like a 20-cent gain. I said, no, it's going to go up to the, it was going up somewhere. And just missed it. Missed one of the other ones for like a 15-cent gain. It could have gotten like a 11-cent gain and should have settled for less on both of those.
Yeah. Yeah, I think on these low volume days, we have to adjust our profit expectations down. Some of these low volume days are just not getting the price follow through.
No.
Well, let's see if this breaks out from here. I would go back to the 527 on the call side.
One thing I can say, Tim, is I've been exercising my willpower to get out to limit my losses.
Yeah. No, we can't underestimate how big that is.
It doesn't feel big right now, but you're right, it is big.
Yeah. All right. Let's see here. 527 on the call side. Stand by.
It's up at yesterday's close.
Okay.
I'm looking at the 528.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the 528 as well.
That's the first time it's gotten close to 100,000 since the 10 o'clock minute.
Mm-hmm.
We're an hour into it and 4.4 million underlying traded. All the major indices are still down, but not as much as they were before. Dow's down 68. NASDAQ's down 7. S&P's down 6.
Mm. All right. 528 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and get into this.
Just got into
Oh.
it too.
And in at 364.
Same here.
Well,
Come on, get on up there.
Keith, your words are powerful.
Yeah. Come on, keep going. Oh, back up there. There you go.
Boy, this volume continues to be very low.
Yeah.
Tim, can we change the supply zone?
Yes, we certainly can. Thank you, Derek. So we seem to have a slight call bias. If you look at the 5-minute candles, they have been generally going up, as well as Heikenasi, with some pullbacks. But overall, I think our bias is still in the call position. Dow is just down by 7 now, Nas down by 11, S&P down by 3. We may end up going positive here before too long.
Well, the Qs did break positive for a little bit back there about 10 minutes ago,
Mm-hmm.
trying to do it again. Let's get out of this messy middle and head on up some more.
Yeah.
Tim, quick question. Isn't that 5-minute MACD kind of high?
It is.
All right, thank you.
It's not enormously high though.
No, not too bad. Just 1.1. Look at the 1 minute. It's not too bad. And we're heading back toward the call bias position. There we go. A little breakout happening now. This is good.
I've got an order for about 12-cent gain if we can get that.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Phil. Phil.
A little bit more.
Come on. You can do it. Get back up there.
See, the market maker stepped in at that 1045 candle, brought some volume in, try to boost this out of this consolidation phase that we're in.
Come on, Phil. Phil. Easy peasy. Come on, get on up there. Come on, market maker. Pump it up just a little bit. That's it. Jump it up there.
And
All right, that's a
there we go.
374, 10 cents.
Yep, me too.
But I got a positive one.
That's right.
Golly.
That's 10. Okay.
Yeah, boy. That's painful.
Yep. So let's see, 13. So plus 10 for so far.
And I'm going to finish the day down unless something drastic happens here. But learn to be patient and limit my losses.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Craig. Appreciate that. All right. Let me go back to the 528 on the call side. See if we're going to go into some more consolidation here. You guys, excuse me 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I see they got Powell up on CNBC, the congressional hearing. As a shooting star doji just developed. I'm actually up 15. I'm sorry, I thought it was 10. I've added wrong. I'm up 15. So we got all the indices, broader indices have gone positive. Dow's up 31, Nasdaq's up 9, S&P's up 2. Getting some pullback right now. Starting to go into a little consolidation. Then we're pulling back a bit. May get another supply zone. Hmm. I'm going to keep an eye on the 531 on the put side. If we break through the supply zone, looks like we may bounce off the supply zone here. Let's see. Okay, guys, we've got top of the hour. Let's go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. So, boy, choppy morning. Really had to wait on a couple of these. Ended up making 5 trades, one even, one loss, the rest positive for plus 15 this morning, and grateful to have it for sure. So, all right, that's it for today, guys. We will see you tomorrow morning, same time, same channel. Keith, thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
All right, take care, everybody.